Welcome. Let's get you started with the Hush Pro Byte Plus and show you how to maximize your productivity with this ultimate multi-device mouse. Inside the box, you'll find the mouse, a Type-C charging cable for fast recharging, and a quick start guide to help you set up in no time. Let's take a closer look at the Hush Pro Byte Plus. Its sleek, compact design feels great in your hand, providing comfort for long hours of use. The USB receiver is conveniently stored inside the mouse, keeping it safe when not in use. The three-way on-off switch lets you toggle between modes. The top toggles to 2.4 GHz mode, the middle turns the mouse off to conserve battery, and the bottom toggles to Bluetooth mode. It also features a USB-C port for quick recharging and built-in power-saving features to enhance efficiency and extend battery life. Connecting your Hush Pro Byte Plus is quick and easy. First, remove the USB receiver from the compartment inside the mouse and plug it into your laptop's USB port. Once the receiver is connected, turn on the mouse in 2.4 GHz mode. If you want to switch to Bluetooth, simply toggle the switch to Bluetooth mode. Then, head to your device's Bluetooth settings, look for available devices, and select AMKET BT from the list. Once selected, the mouse will pair instantly, allowing you to use it seamlessly with your mobile or other Bluetooth-enabled device. But there's even more to love. The Hush Pro Byte Plus features silent switches for a quiet and distraction-free experience. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use over long hours. The DPI button allows you to easily adjust the sensitivity of the mouse. With 3 adjustable DPI levels, 800, 1200, and 1600, you can switch between lower sensitivity for precision tasks, a balanced setting for regular use, and higher sensitivity for faster movements. And that's it! You're all set to enjoy your Hush Pro Byte Plus and maximize your productivity. Thanks for watching.